Howdy, folks. Good evening. It's Jeff Camarda. Just a real quick update here. Again, not much has changed in the markets. And the synopsis of that, of course, is that the global economy is in the sewer with rather smelly prognosis. Nonetheless, the stock markets, around the world and the U.S. in particular, continue to soar on the wind of irrational exuberance, some of us think. So the big disconnect, and obviously we're expecting it to come down. But going forward, there are opportunities to profit from this irrational market while we await and expect a return to more reasonable valuations. In other words, a price correction, a big drop in stock market values. We're not, willing to go all in at this point. However, we are looking to profit from trading opportunities. I mean, this market really is kind of defined by momentum or things just going higher. Tesla is a great example of that, just crazy prices based on the profitability and the fundamentals of the company, but folks don't seem to care. When you mix in things like stock splits and people chasing stock splits, which really doesn't change anything except the price per share being divided by the amount of the split. Anyway, so there are trading opportunities to ride momentum, which is what we will be doing. We've made some trades already this week, and we're prepared to begin making some more individual stocks that are not necessarily the good long-term plays in our view, but have trading momentum and we think have the opportunity for us to profit from this irrational exuberance that the market is kind of churning through now. So prepare in those accounts, we're able to do that. There are some like annuities and the 401k accounts and others where the trading strictures are much more severe, and we are developing alternatives to emulate this trading philosophy in those accounts. But for the most part, most of you, even smaller accounts, will be seeing a good burst of activity over the unfolding days and weeks. And that's all I've got to report for today. If you have any questions, concerns, or comments, feel free, as always, to email me, j@camarda.com. And don't forget, we have class next Thursday, September 3rd, on risk control and on asset protection 101. I believe that's at 10 and 6, but check your invitation. If you'd like to come, you will need to accept the invitation to register to get a link to the class. And please do pass those on to friends and families. Virtually everyone can benefit from that knowledge, even if they never wind up having a conversation with us. And that's pretty much it. Have a wonderful and blessed evening. If there's more to report, we will give you another video later in the week. And if not, I wish you peace until next time. Bye-bye.